Sanibonani, my beautiful people. It's your girl Chantal Sibanda. I am representing Miss Fine Town. So we are in support of the G20 National Women's Shutdown, right? So on the side we have Fine Town Radio Station, Fine Town Movement Response Team. We have Zenzela. So they are going to be helping us to make this a success, and then we also have other organizations and businesses that are going to be part of this initiative, like they're going to be supporting us. This is the poster to see for yourself which businesses and organizations from this place of Fine Town that are going to be supporting us. And thank you so much, guys, for your support. You guys are so amazing. We appreciate all of these things. And then I want to invite you, Lapo Ohledi, the person that's watching this. I want to invite you, Uguti, please be part of this initiative. Whether you're a man, whether you're a woman, whether you're a baby, or whether you're a child, I don't know. Please just participate in this thing. We need this in Fine Town. We need to make this awareness. We need to make it stop. There are people, women actually, and children that died not so long ago. So let's try to minimize it. I'm not saying Oguti GBV, it's in favor of women and it's also in favor of men. I'm not saying that I'm against anybody who is being abused, whether you're a man or woman. It's just wrong. But now we know that i-rate yabantu besifazana nabantwana iphezulu. Guys, let's be realistic. Let's stop debating and fighting against these things. We know what it's in high rate, and let's just try to minimize it by working together. And also, this is not the last thing that we're gonna be doing. I just pray that next time we're gonna be meeting for an initiative of men and boys, because I feel like they also need this. So yeah, so what I'm saying now is that sizohlangana eGrassmere Station to the park. We're gonna start from 12 p.m. till 2:30 to 3. So please don't be late. We would truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much. I am very thankful. And we're gonna have an MC which will be briefing us a little bit about what is going to be happening when you get to the park, which is Samuel Johnson. Thank you so much, Sam. Thank you so much. And guys, please, ngicela nize.